Well, everybody, we're here yet again. This time with the GX75's battery. Don't have starting fluid right now. That might help the engine start. Let's see if this one makes my battery magically go dead. Hopefully, this battery's good, so hopefully it doesn't. Okay. That's so weird. That's down here. Hold in the clutch. Clutch and brake, both combined. Now, put her on choke. Seat's warm. Holy wow. Hope she starts. It's gonna sound weird. Nuh-uh. I know for sure my battery ain't dead. I think the starter shot. Well, what the heck here? What's going on? I know this thing's got plenty of charge in it. Hold it in. Yeah, it's hooked up right. Positive, positive, negative, negative.
Yeah, it doesn't sound like it has power.
I know the battery's got charge in it. I think my starter's finally done. Starter finally said no, thank you. I'm done working.
That or you on a dead ground somewhere.
Or a dead ground. Yeah, that's a good idea.
That would explain why it keeps draining the battery too. So it might not.
But this battery's fully charged out of a different mower.
Yeah, but if you had to keep charging the other one too, it could be a bad ground drain in your battery.
Maybe.
It might not be your battery, it might be your ground.
No, starter don't. And if I turn it without holding in the brake and clutch, none. I don't know, folks. What do you think? That battery's got charge in it, and I know it ain't dead. Boy. It's a mystery and a half. I can't bring the RX-73 here until I get this thing out of here, and I don't want to run. Someday, I should probably just, convert this to a pull start.